Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine and safe. Let's move forward and start question number 6 of Luke's pet spider. The question is, read this sentence. Is that all, Luke? Why is there a question mark at the end of this sentence? Students, you have to explain your answer why there is a question mark at the end of this sentence. Question number 7 is, did Luke want to write about his neighbor's dog? Tick 1. There is two options of yes and or no. Is he want to write about his neighbor's dog? Yes or not? You have to tick one answer and justify your answer. Is it yes or is it not? Question number 8 is, put the following events in order by numbering them. Here are 4 sentences and you have to give numbering them by reading the passage. Question number 9 is, where did the story take place? You have to mention the place where this story takes place. Is it in a house, in a garden, or in a classroom? Where this stories take place. Here is the question number 10. Suggest a new title for the story and give your reason for choosing it. Okay students, now you have to choose another name of this story and give reason why you choose this name for this story, Luke's pet spider. Question number 11 is, circle the best description of the text. Here are 4 options. You have to encircle the one option which describes the best description of the text. Number 1 is friction, number 2 report, 3 letter, 4 is information. Question number 12 is, give the comparative and superlative form of the following adjectives. First adjective is old. The comparative degree of old is older and superlative is oldest. For example, short, shorter, shortest, hot, hotter, hottest. Intelligent, more intelligent, the most intelligent. And the other adjective is hairy. You have to write the comparative and superlative degree of this. Now open the next page. Let's move forward towards the creative writing. The question is, write on the title the best pet and explain which of the following pets you would choose. Describe the disadvantages as well as the advantages of keeping your pet. Students, if you have any kind of pet, you have to write their advantages and disadvantages. For example, if you have any kind of rabbit, cat, dog, or a parrot, you have to write 15 to 17 lines about your pet and write its advantages and disadvantages, good things and bad things about your best pet. I hope you understand today's lecture about Luke's pet spider. And don't forget to wash your hands, keep safe, and remember me in your prayers. Good luck students. Allah Hafiz.